Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to find the range of each of the following data sets. To find the range of the data sets for this set of ungrouped data, well, we just need to identify the largest value, in this case here, 20, and the smallest value, 16. 20 minus 16. That would be the range for set A, which is equals to 4. Okay, so that answer for the range, to find the range for this set A would then be 4. Okay, 20 minus 16. So for set B, the largest is 29. The smallest value is 7. So as you can guess, therefore the range of this set B would be 29 minus 7. 22. That's the range. Range equals to 22. And so for range of set C, you would then see that it is pretty straightforward. Largest number is 41. The smallest value is 9. So to find the range, then we will have 41 minusing my 9 to give me a value of 32. And for set D, the data is not arranged in ascending order. Not to worry, the idea is still the same. I just need to make use of the largest value minusing my smallest value. So in this case here, the range of D would then be equals to 50 minus 6 to give me a value of 44. Okay, do take note, we do not write our range as this, like this. Nope. 7 to 29 also nope. Okay, with that we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.